All right, this is a video for the Algebra 1 STAAR study guide, lesson 4.2, graphing quadratic functions. A lot of this is going to be similar to what we did in the last unit, or last lesson rather. So we're looking at just how the graphs of these look and identifying them based on their equations. So you're going to be doing nothing more than graphing this. And for some reason, they're giving you three different versions of the same equation. You can type any of these three in to your Desmos, and you're finding the vertex. So let's just go real quick and we'll just do the first option, x minus 1 squared minus 9. Just get rid of all this. X minus 1 squared. Again, remember the shift 6 will give you the exponent. X minus 1 squared minus 9. And then they want to know the vertex. And the nice thing about Desmos is it will show you the vertex. It's right there. And it's 1, negative 9. And that's it for those. That's what you need to do here. But you're finding the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry of a quadratic function is the line that crosses right down the middle of it. So you're looking for the line that crosses through the vertex. It's going to be x equals something. X equals something. And it's going to be that line through the middle. So the x value of the vertex is the answer. So you're looking for the x value of the vertex. So right away we can know that these are not the answer, because the axis of symmetry is always x equals and then whatever the vertex x value is. So I'm going to leave you do that one on your own. All right. And then more of the same. Where is the maximum or minimum value? Also known as the vertex. So find the vertex of that. Same thing here. Find the x-intercepts. Oh, look, these are all using the same graph. So you're just going to do the same graph for all of these. X-intercepts. Remember, x-intercepts are the place where this graph crosses the x-axis. So they're right there. It's that easy. They're right there on the graph. And then the y-intercept, which is the place where the graph crosses the y-axis. So you should be able to get that one really, really easily as well. I do not know what these numbers in the front are, but it looks like they correspond with the y value anyway. So just do that. Find that value where it crosses the y-axis. Again, match the graph. Pretty easy. Match the graph with one of these. Graph it on Desmos and see which one matches up. Then it gives some word problems. The graph below describes the path of a launched model rocket measured in feet per second. Select the ordered pairs for the key attributes of the parabola. Then choose the answer with the Choose the answer which describes what each attribute means in terms of the rocket's path in the situation. That wording is very strange. But let's talk through what these mean. So this is a rocket. It gets launched, goes up in the air, and then it lands after a certain amount of time, 3 seconds. So it took 3 seconds for it to go up. It looks like it hit about 25 feet, and then it fell down. And that really, everything I just said is enough information to get the answer. So let's read this. It says, we want to know what point is best describing what's happening. Well, we have at 1.5 seconds, we have 25. The rocket reaches its maximum height, approximately 25 feet, halfway through its flight at t equals 1.5 seconds. Okay, that sounds like what we already described. So we're gonna hit that one, and then we're gonna wait and see. 22 and 22.5. That's right there. The rocket reaches a height of 22.5 feet at t equals 2 seconds. Okay, that's correct. A little strange that there's more than one correct answer. We'll see what else we come across. 0, 3. 0, 3 is not a point on the graph. So I don't know why they're even giving us that. 0, 3 is like right here. Okay, 1, 22.5. Okay, the rocket reaches 22.5 at t equals 1 second. That's true, but I'm not sure that's what they want. The rocket is on the ground at 0 feet, which is launched at t equals 0 second. I'm a little confused by this, so I'm going to guess that they want us to choose the one that doesn't match the graph. So we're gonna choose this one option here. The wording is so strange. If you get it wrong, I'll just alter your score later. So it's a little weird. Um, hmm, hmm. Okay, I think I figured it out. Sorry about that. This is part of the problem right here. This is part of the question. They want us to find the x-intercept. So the x-intercept would be this one, 0, 0. That's an x-intercept right there. So you need to find the points as they match with the different parts of the graph. So just be aware of that. You're looking for the different x-intercepts. So one of them is 0, 0. The other one is 3, 0. So then that's what we should be looking for in the second problem where it asks for x-intercept. It's not very clear, I'll be honest. Then we're looking for the vertex and what the vertex means. So you should be finding the point that represents the vertex. And then you should be finding the point that represents the y-intercept. And so that is, I think I explained it enough for you to get these. So choose the point that corresponds with what it says right below the graph. And that is it for this lesson.